Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to understand different ways to open URL in WebDriver. So to open URL in WebDriver or to open page in WebDriver, we can use two methods. One is get and other is navigate. So in many interviews, we are going to face a question like what is the difference between get and navigate. So get and navigate both are used to open URL in the WebDriver. Difference is that in case of get, we can just open a URL or open a page. But in case of WebDriver, we can open a page, we can press back button of the browser, we can press forward button of the browser, we can also use refresh button of the browser. First, I'm going to use get method to open URL. So here I'm giving a URL like www.facebook.com. Running this code, and here we can see a browser will open and it will open the particular URL in the browser. So here we see it open browser, and in the browser we are getting that URL. So with the help of the get, we can open any URL in the browser. Closing this. So now I'm going to use navigate. So first, with the help of the navigate, I'm opening a Facebook URL. So I'm moving to the www.facebook.com. I'm just using a thread.sleep here. So I want to pause my script for 5 seconds just to make sure that we will be able to see a particular page is opened or not. And first I'm moving to the Facebook. Then again by using navigate, I am navigating to our website, which is www.thetestingworld.com, and again I want to stay here for 5 seconds. Then I want to press back button of the browser. So we are using driver.navigate.back button, and then once we back, so again I'm using 5-second delay, and then driver.navigate.forward. So I'm moving to the forward direction, means I'm pressing the forward button of the browser, and here I'm using refresh button. So driver.navigate.refresh. So my complete case is ready. Here I'm using thread.sleep just to make sure that we are able to see each and every page. First it will go to the Facebook, then it will go to thetestingworld.com. We'll press back button, so it will again come back to the Facebook. We'll press forward button and it will move to testingworld.com, and then it will refresh the page. So I'm running it. So first facebook.com gets open. It will stay here for 5 seconds, and then moving to the next site, which is www.thetestingworld.com. Again, we are staying there for 5 seconds, and now we are pressing back button. So as we press, so here it will press back button, and we are going to navigate back to facebook.com. Here we are staying for 5 seconds, and then it will press forward button, and again we are coming to the testingworld.com. Once we are on the testingworld.com, we can press refresh button. So my page will refresh again. So here we can see my page is getting refreshed again. So here we have seen, in case of get, we can just open the URL, but in the case of the navigate, we can open URL, We can use back button, we can use forward button, we can use refresh button. Thanks for watching this video.